Welcome to the Stafford Welding program. Here's your challenge. Apply to the Stafford Welding program. Let me teach you how to weld. Work hard and earn your OSHA certifications. Work harder and earn your welding qualifications. And then get one of those jobs that are high paying, that all your friends talk about, and none of them have. It's up to you.
Hi, my name's Levi. I'm a second year in this program, and I heard about this program through a friend, and I was really interested in the program, so I wanted to try it out myself.
Hey, my name is Rune Spires. I'm a second year in Power Mechanics and Welding at Stafford, and I'm from Otter Valley Union High School. The reason that I came to join this program in Stafford was because I was curious if I actually had any interest in the welding trade, and that turned out to be true. I did, and I still enjoy it now after 2 years. So it's pretty much the best way to come and not have to pay anything to figure out if you are interested in a trade or not. What I am technically going for would be something along this line with this piece right here. So I made this, I believe on Tuesday, and it's made out of just a little piece of back bar that was an inch wide, about this, probably 2.5 inches tall. And that's the same piece of material I have in the car right there. And once that gets a bit hotter, take it out and we'll start working down on it. I drew one side out very long like this, and I drew one out a bit stubbier, a bit shorter, so I could have 2 hooks that would sit up against the wall. And then you can see where you drill holes. I marked the center line there, and that's where you'd bolt it down to the wall. Rod, I will just take it and start to form it down.
I'm Regan. I'm from Rutland. I'm second year in Stafford, and I'm working on my 4-wheeler over here. There's no power up here in the steering column. So I ordered a new battery, and we're just trying to figure out what the problem is and then get it fixed up. So I got to take the battery out, put these back on the new battery, and figure out the old starter down in here. Other than that, she should run. Hopefully going to post-secondary school, work further in my education in welding.